Hi, this is JJ from RJ's Waves of Adventure Travel. For all your vacation needs, call 866-945-2700. We're available 7 days a week, 9:30 a.m., 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the description, you'll find our email and our website info. Vacation should not be work. Let us do all the hard work for you, and we act as your concierge from beginning to end. We don't charge any additional fees, and in many cases, we have group pricing available for individuals that can save you money and add additional perks. Please click the link and subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It tells YouTube to share our content to more people looking for vacation content. We publish a new video every 2 weeks. Today's video is about the Pie-Eyed Parrot Sunset Cruise located on the Marsh Walk behind the Claw House, Murrells Inlet, South Carolina. Enjoy the video. Talk to you soon.